In this video, we'll talk about adding and subtracting integers. Addition is a mathematical expression with a plus sign between two numbers. We have positive 4 and negative 7. Between these two numbers, we have a plus sign, so this is an addition. Subtraction is when you have minus sign between two numbers. We have positive 4, negative 7. Between these two numbers, we have a minus sign, so this is subtraction problem. When you have an addition, then the next question that you have to ask yourself is, do the numbers have the same sign? If yes, then you just need to add the absolute value of addend and give the sign of the addend to the sum. In this case, the addends are 5 and 3. Both of them are positive. We know these are positive because we do not have any signs. If you don't have any sign before a number, then it's a positive number. So positive 5 plus positive 3. The answer is positive 8. For another example, negative 5 plus negative 3. Both are negative numbers. So just add the numbers, the absolute value numbers 5 and 3, and add the numbers which is 8 and give the sign of these two addends which is negative. So the answer is negative 8. If you have different signs, then you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number and give the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. For example, we have positive 5 and negative 3. Positive 5, it has a greater absolute value than negative 3. So subtract 3 from 5. The answer is 2. And the number with a greater absolute value is 5 and is positive. So the answer is positive 2. For another example, negative 5 plus 3. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The absolute value of 3 is 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 5. And the greater value of absolute value is negative 5. It has a negative sign. So we have to give a negative sign to the difference. So the answer is negative 2. For subtracting integers, it's a little more involved. First of all, you have to change the subtraction sign to addition sign. And also you have to change the sign of the number behind the subtraction. For example, 5 minus negative 3. You have to change this subtraction sign to addition sign. It's a negative number, you have to change this to a positive number. So it's going to be 5 plus positive 5. The answer is positive 8. For one more example, negative 5 minus negative 3. Again, you have to change the subtraction sign to addition sign. And you have to change negative 3 to positive 3. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 3. The difference is 2 and the greater absolute value is negative. So the answer is negative 2.